it's Darla. Yes, again. I got tagged yesterday by the lovely Pamela from Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Oh, she did a hashtag yarny dance. Now this was created by Llama Unraveled. All right. I'm going to put both of their links down below. And what it is you dance as you crochet. Instead of sitting around on your butt crocheting all day long, you know, you get some exercise and stuff like that. All right, so that's what it's all about. Yeah, so you're gonna see me dancing and crocheting. Yep, you will. And I've tagged 3 people already. I'm gonna tell you who they are right now. Neva, Manic Mama. Petra from Petra's Happy Place. And Teresa from Craving Crochet. You girls get your videos ready. I can't wait to see them. Okay, so there is music. Oops, sorry, shook you. There is music in my yarny dance video because I just used the free license music that's right in my phone camera, my editing thing. So yeah, there's gonna be music in this one, and I don't have to worry about copyright laws because it's free license. Alrighty then, so let's do this. All right, it's coming on right after this, and I'm gonna leave you with that video memory in your mind. Because I'm not gonna come back on till later today, because you know why. 2000. Thank you, everyone. All right, enjoy this, and I hope you don't have nightmares.